Hey everyone, so this will be an unboxing of the Nuroum high quality wireless headphones here. See, AI noise suppression, lightweight, and they are comfortable. As you see here, you have 10-meter range. Charging time should take only about an hour. That's not bad. Standby time is about 150 hours. Actually, use is around 10 hours. There you guys go. If you want to read any of that, feel free. And then long battery life, hearing protection, and clear sound quality. Let's go on, open this on up. And open up this box. Got some paperwork and warranty there. And we have our headphones right here. And then this looks to be a charging cable. I get my fingers underneath it. There we go. So we got ourselves a charging cable here. Funky little cable. And that's it for the box. Nice and protected here. Open these guys on up. So this will just attach magnetically to, if I put it on the right way. There we go. Nice and easy charger. Alright, so looking at this here, we do have a mic right here. You can see the little hole right there. And then we do have a couple different speakers on each side here. So you have the bass, and then you also have the sound, the normal sound. So bass and then normal sound on there. We also have, let's see where they went to. So you have your volume buttons right here. Again, that's the charging bit. And then you also have a button right there as well. And this is what they look like on my head, at least. They do seem like they'd be nice and comfortable. And you see kind of a back shot there. So yeah. Alright, thanks for watching. Hope you guys have a good one. See you next time. Goodbye.